Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Niloy and this is part 2 of our keyword research series. In part 1, we covered the foundational tools like Keyword Planner and Google Trends. If you have not seen it yet, I recommend starting there. In today's video, we will go deeper with some advanced free tools including Answer the Public, Ubbersuggest and Keyword Surfer, and we will cover some competitive insights to help you build a strong keyword research strategies. Let's get into it. Our first tool today is Answer the Public. This tool helps you find question-based and long-tail keywords. These are valuable because they are often less competitive and closely match what people are searching for. Here is how it works. Number 1. Go to the answerthepublic.com and type in a main keyword related to your content. Number 2. You will see a visual map that include questions, comparisons and related phrases. These are actual questions people are asking around that keyword, which makes them perfect for blog post or FAQ section. For example, if your keyword is home workout, you might find questions like home workout for beginners or home workout without equipment. These are great because they attract users with specific needs and intentions, giving you a better chance to rank.
Hi, do you know that one browser is an all-in-one solution? Use it just like any regular browser for all your internet needs. Access content from around the world with its integrated VPN, no extra installations needed. Create unique profiles within the browser to manage multiple accounts seamlessly without risk of suspensions. Share accounts effortlessly without handing over passwords or dealing with annoying two-factor authentication codes. Don't miss out. One browser is the must-have tool of 2024. Try it now.
Next, let's look at Ubbersuggest by Nail Battle, an excellent tool for discovering keywords and analyzing competitors. Here is how to use it. Number 1. Type in your keyword to get search volume, SEO difficulty and keyword suggestions. Number 2. You can also enter a competitor's URL to see what keywords they are ranking for, which can reveal gap in your own strategy. For instances, if your keyword is ranking for a keyword you have not considered, it might be worth creating content around it. The competitive analysis features is especially helpful because it allows you to learn from what's working for others in your niche without having to spend on paid tools. Finally, let's talk about the Keyword Surfer Chrome extension. This tool is super convenient for quick research while you are browsing on Google. Number 1. Once you install Keyword Surfer, it shows search volume, CPC and related keywords right on the Google result page as you search. Number 2. You will also see the keyword suggestions on the right side of the page, making it easy to expand your list without leaving your search results. This tool is ideal for those times when you are just starting to brainstorm or want quick inspiration. It's a great way to validate keyword ideas as you go and save you from constantly switching back and forth between tools. To wrap up part 2, let's quick recap. Number 1. Answer the Public lets help you find question-based and long-tail keywords great for targeting a specific search intent. Number 2. Ubbersuggest provides deep insights into keyword volume, SEO difficulty, and even competitor analysis. Number 3, keyword servers gives quick keyword data right on Google, perfect for on the go brainstorming. Together with the tool from part 1, you now have a complete set of resources to conduct effective keyword research without spending a cent. Use these tools together to build a strategy that targets relevant keywords, has low competition, and drives high quality traffic to your site. That wraps up our keyword research series. I hope you found these insights helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share them with others looking to improve their SEO. Drop a comment if you have any questions or let me know what other topics you would like to see. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.